So I think it's befitting tonight that these people, also these DJs, are recognized for their contribution to producing music, which is not very easy, I'll tell you. So for this, I would like to invite our guest of honor to please come on stage. So I'll be calling all together at the same time, so you guys please come to the stage together, okay? The first one is DJ Wanshan, DJ D-Bryan, DJ Banshan, DJ BBAY, DJ Bass Culture, and DJ Bandit. So all you guys, if you're here, please come to the stage. Please give them a big round of applause.